Good morning, children. Today is our English class for class 5. In today's class, we are going to learn a lesson, and the lesson name is Robinson Crusoe Discovers a Footprint. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. After having a sleepless night, he thinks that the footprint belongs to one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. Thus, he starts fearing the things that would happen if that savage brought other savages along with him to kill him. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. Thus, this fear starts making him fear for his own protection. He starts praying for his safety after this fear starts creeping in on him. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own foot mark. This makes him bolder and he decides to look for the footprint again. He goes out to the seashore to measure it with his own foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. As he gets closer to the footprint, he realized it wasn't his. He did not come to that part of the beach. In fact, that footprint was bigger than his own, which made him sure that there is someone else too living on the same island. This made him fearful again, as he thinks it is better to go back inside the cave for his protection. Thus he retreats to his cave in fear and spends most of his time there only. Let's conclude this lesson. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint that teaches a great deal about human behavior. Moreover, also about how we always long for a company, but when faced with a dilemma, we opt for our own safety. I hope everyone understands this lesson. Thank you, children.